Hello friends, this is Vani from Viva Sew and Style. Thank you for tuning in today. Today I have a fabric haul. Like I mentioned in my last video, I ordered two mystery bundles from Fabric Mart. Look at that, they came. So I'm going to open these in front of you and let's see what we got. So guys, I ordered one 10-yard bundle for $20 and one uh, fabric craft bundle which was 6 pieces for $6, and both of them are in here. So this is the craft bundle, but I'll show you the other fabrics first. And this is the 10-yard bundle. Okay, so this is the very first piece and it's a stretch. And it doesn't have any descriptions, I don't believe. Yeah, it's some kind of it feels polyester like, and so it might be about a yard and a half. Yeah, it says 1.5 yards. So it's a tie-dye. Yeah, so I can definitely make something with it. So this is the second piece. It looks like some kind of a suiting or pant style fabric. Yeah, once again, no description. Yeah, it's some kind of this also feels synthetic, so, and no stretch. So it's a woven, some kind of a suiting appears to me. Okay guys, so the next one is this rib knit, and it's a 1 3/7 is what the sticker says. So it's kind of on the thin side, but it's still nice. I think these colors will go very nicely for fall. Plus, I myself never buy neutrals, so it's good that I got them because I definitely need them. Okay friends, so this is fabric number 4 and it looks like a t-shirt type material, but it's very thin. So, and it's only two-way stretch. I wish these fabrics came with descriptions because I don't know what this is. But I'll use it. I'll figure out something to make with it. And the last one is my favorite. It's 3 1/4 yards. And It's some kind of a georgette or chiffon. It's not very like sheer. So yeah, and the colors are perfect for fall. And I like the pattern. So okay, so now let me give you my thoughts on this bundle. So to be honest, I am not wowed by these fabrics. At the same time, I won't say that they're bad. So I will use them, and only after I figure out what I make with them and use them, then I will know about the quality. But all the fabrics I've got are synthetics, and the colors are nice, but nothing exceptional or mind blowing, unfortunately. But I wanted to try it, and I'm glad I did. So moving on to the craft bundle now, which was only $6 for 6 pieces. So this is the first one. It feels very nice, silky, and I'm guessing there is more than one yarn in here, but it's very thin. Please give me some ideas as to what I can make with these thin knit fabrics. Okay, the next one is this pink and white stripes. Um, this is also feels synthetic, but some kind of jersey, and has a nice stretch both ways. And I like the colors. These are my colors. So yeah, I will definitely use it. It's not as thin as some of the others that I have gotten. But it feels more like stockings or socks type of stretch material. Oh well, it is what it is. Okay, so the third piece in there is this pink fabric. This also feels like a t-shirt type fabric, and this one feels very nice to the touch. So yeah, I can make myself a t-shirt with this. Oh, now I have something that I'm finally excited. So this looks like a newsprint, and it has the multicolors on it. So yeah, some kind of a t-shirt, and feels good. This one feels like a double brushed poly, but I like this print. Okay, so piece number 5. This is some kind of a jersey, very thin. Nice pattern. I think all of these will make good t-shirts. So 6 t-shirts for $6 is not bad of a deal, right? Yeah, it has a nice drape to it. And the last piece is this brown fabric. Once again, very thin. So I don't know what do you make with these, or are these supposed to be like linings? But the color is very much in this season. and it's perfect for fall. And there's quite a bit of fabric here. So guys, these are all the fabrics that I have received. Let me know which one is your favorite. Do you think the craft bundle for $6 is a good value? Would you order it? What about the one where you get 10 yards for $20? My personal thoughts are they're okay. They are not the best and not the worst. But I mean, on clearance, I could have bought 5 to 6 yards of fabric from Joann's. Very, very nice quality of my choice. However, now I have received more than maybe 15 yards of fabric, 15, 16, or a little more, but the quality is alright. And sometimes I feel like Walmart bundles are cheaper and better quality than some of the knits that I have received in this bundle. So I'm not sure if I'll be ordering one anytime very soon, but you never know. Alright guys, that was it for today. I hope you enjoyed. Do like, subscribe, and share my videos and leave lots of comments. Thank you so much. Bye bye.